Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, One of a Kind here. Welcome back to another Boston Whaler Restoration Series video. This video is going to be part 7 of the series, guys. So, crazy that we made it this far in the series. Boat has been, like, it's a complete day and night difference with this boat. So, you guys have seen the whole entire process of me working on this thing. It's been insane. So, in the last episode, guys, we went ahead and put our center console in. We got our floor pretty much all good. So in this episode, guys, we're gonna pick up where we left off. We're gonna go ahead and seal the console, the outside gaps of the console over here. We're gonna go ahead and feather in the gunnels, and then we have a little bit more fiberglass work to do, and then we're gonna seal this up. We're gonna seal the guardrails up because they weren't sealed. And then after that, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do a light sand on the floor and everything else in the boat. And then it's on to painting the boat Boston Whaler blue. So we're so close to being done with this boat, guys. I'm so excited. So let's get right to it, guys. So as you guys saw, we got the console sealed up with the Marine 5200 sealant. I still have a few gaps, but I really can't play around with it when it's too wet, so I gotta let this dry, go over it again, and just kind of fill in a little bit of extra gaps that might have been created by the stuff settling. But I mean, we're all good around the console. So guys, the next step in this process is going to be sealing the bumper guard. I don't even know what this is called, the bump guard or whatever, on the actual boat. And let me show you guys why. So it's very hard to tell on camera, guys, but there's a small gap into here, and me being me, I'm just worried that water is going to get in here, and yeah, it's not going to hurt to seal it off. So what we're going to do is we're just going to seal the whole top side off with the Marine 5200 sealant all the way around the boat. Just kind of got to work with it super slow. Alrighty, guys, so here's how the rub rail, I guess, is looking. We went ahead and sealed it up. We sealed it up with 5200 all along this entire thing. It was hard to see on camera, but there was a noticeable gap in between it, and like I said, just me being paranoid, I don't want water getting in there, so we went ahead and sealed it. Sealed the back ends of it too, and everything's looking good. I feel like I did pretty good, and yeah, so let's get on to the next step. So here's what we're going to be using, guys. It's called the Marine RX Epoxy Repair from West Marine. This costs about $20, guys, so not too terrible. And I believe, don't quote me on this, it is similar to Total Fair. It's like fairing compound, I think, to where you just fill it in and it's like a putty, and then it hardens up, and it says it works like steel, easily sanded, and it's going to fill these holes for us and any little cracks that we have. But I'm mainly just using it to fill the holes that I have for the cleats, so we can go ahead and drill new holes, and it'll waterproof the holes that are already there, since we got brand new cleats. So that's the plan, guys. So let's go ahead and mix this bad boy up, see how it works. Alrighty, guys, it's a brand new day, and let me show you guys how the clay putty stuff actually turned out. So as you guys can sort of tell, it's very messy. Obviously, I haven't sanded anything yet, but that's gonna do the job, guys. It's sealed up our holes really nice. So we're gonna sand it down, drill new holes in there for our new cleats that we're gonna add. Alrighty, guys, today is finally the day, guys. I'm so excited. We're starting the painting of the boat. So we got the boat pretty much cleaned out. We got our putty sanded down that we did in the last clip. Cleaned out the boat, vacuumed out the boat. So now we're gonna go ahead and paint about half the boat tonight. We're kind of running out of daylight here, so we're gonna pretty much do as much as we can tonight. And then tomorrow, guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish up the boat with paint, and then yeah, I'm so excited. So let me go ahead and show you guys what kind of paint we're using. So for this project, guys, we're gonna be using the Total Boat Boston Whaler Blue, classic Boston Whaler Blue, wet edge, 1 part polyurethane topside paint. Now, I already did a little test on the back of the boat, guys, and that's been like that for a few videos now, and this paint is absolutely fantastic. So shout out to you, Total Boat. You guys made an incredible paint. So this paint was a little pricey, but I mean, everything with a boat is pricey. I mean, let's be honest, you guys own a boat, you guys know. So this paint, I believe, costs like 120 bucks for the gallon. But like I said, it's classic whaler blue. It is the official color, and it's a really good quality paint, guys. So that's the paint we're gonna be using. So let's go ahead and tape the boat up and get paint. Careful when you're putting it in the bucket. Dang. Alrighty guys, so here's how the boat is looking after yesterday. We kind of ran out of daylight, so this is all we were able to get done yesterday. But wow guys, look at the undone part of the boat, look at the painted part of the boat. This is absolutely fantastic. The Boston Whaler blue is looking absolutely amazing. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, guys, is we're gonna go ahead and finish painting the boat. Alrighty guys, as you guys can tell, it is finally done, sort of, I guess. We finally have the whaler painted, guys, which is freaking epic. So it looks amazing. We did it with the classic Boston Whaler blue with the paint from Total Boat. So shout out to them, guys. Not sponsored, but they do absolutely amazing products. They have absolutely amazing products. You guys have seen me use their products in previous videos. And the paint on the Whaler, guys, came out absolutely fantastic, as you guys can see. So I'm very, very excited. So thank you guys so much for watching this episode. So in the Boston Whaler series, guys, we're going to have one more episode of restoration. So that'll be next video. And then we're going to do a test run and an overall review. So we still have a little bit more Boston Whaler content, you know, we still have some things we got to do. And hint, hint, guys, next video, we're gonna be doing some mods to the Boston Whaler. So yeah, she's pretty much done, but she's not really how we want her to be. So we do have some things we're gonna add on to the Whaler. We still have some, you know, things to do. So yeah, so if you guys like this kind of content, please go ahead and feel free to subscribe, like the video. It really helps it out. And comment down below, guys, and let me know what you guys think of the video. Let me know what you guys think of the build. And yeah, guys, I'm super appreciative of all the new subscribers, and thank you guys so much for watching. The boat looks absolutely fantastic, and like I said, guys, if you like this kind of videos, please go and subscribe, because I got plenty more content coming your way with Boston Whalers and everything else, all these other boats. So thank you guys so much for watching, guys. It's been your boy, One of a Kind, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.